Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of coughing. A sudden noisy expulsion of air from the lungs that clears the air passages. A common symptom of upper respiratory infection or bronchitis or pneumonia or tuberculosis. Cough.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.